Hi all, this is Sage Breslin and this is Wisdom Wednesdays. It's rainy out today, and I know in a lot of places it's snowy out today. It's the kind of day where you may have just felt like cuddling under and not getting out of the covers. I know, I've kind of felt that too. But sometimes it's more than that, isn't it? It's not just the rain. It's the feeling like really what you want to do is shut the world out. I think it can be particularly difficult around the holidays, especially after the holidays, as the new year has begun, as maybe your expectations weren't met. Maybe all of the things that you wished for didn't appear under the tree, didn't go the way as you planned. You are a rock star, right? You get up and you do it anyway. You worked your ass off to make sure that everything was done by year's end for your boss. You made sure that everything was done for your friends and family, and you may be really kind of suffering the brunt of not getting in return what you put out there. It happens to a lot of folks, especially to wise women, because old soul women who come in and who serve this role, the role of uplifting others, of ensuring that the team succeeds, ensuring that the family has everything that it needs, ensuring that partners, boyfriends, lovers, girlfriends, that they have exactly what they need to feel special, to feel noticed, seen, acknowledged. And oftentimes, old soul women just don't demand or require that for themselves. They might not even notice that they're not getting it. And maybe this is you. Maybe you are now sitting at work or at home looking out at the weather or your screen and wondering, when is it your turn? Well, I'm here to tell you, it's always been your turn and it's your turn now. And if that's a struggle, acknowledging that and then manifesting that, there are some things that can help make it so. Number one, learning to prioritize yourself, which can be really difficult if you've just not been in the habit of it. But even for anything, whether it's serving yourself first to dinner, making sure that you get enough sleep, whether it's buying the kinds of food you like versus what everybody around you wants, whether it is actually leaving on time from work in order to get to the gym or the spa or the nail salon. But really putting yourself first can make a difference. One of the other things is learning to set boundaries, which can be really challenging. But this is something you can even practice with friends. You can play the no game, right? If you've got even just one friend, even a colleague, who will play and have fun with you and laugh, just have them ask you any question to which you can say, no, I'm not going to do that. And it can be something ridiculous, but it gets you in the habit of really just practicing setting boundaries. And, then after putting yourself first and setting the boundaries that allow you a healthier lifestyle, how about do one thing that helps you feel special? It could be wearing a favorite color, a favorite piece of clothing. It can be buying yourself dinner or going to a movie or taking time to read a book, anything that helps you feel special. And if those things are good but not enough to really kick this habit, then call me or DM me. And I have a system for helping folks who just need a little extra support to really make sure that you can really take your turn. This is Wisdom Wednesdays, and I'd love to hear in the comments below if you can relate. Bye-bye.